discuss in detail about dark web and deep web. Let's see what is there, what we should discuss in this. So the dark web is the world wide web content that exists on darknets. So darknet is a combination of, like we have discussed, like deep web plus dark web. Both. There is no particular software configuration and authorization to access. It varies from user to user, it varies from system to system. The dark nets which constitute the dark web include small friend-to-friend, peer-to-peer networks, as well as large popular networks like Freenet, I2P and Tor, operated by public organizations and individuals. Users of the dark web refer to the regular web as ClearNet. So regular web is known as ClearNet, which we generally use, but the popular networks which are not highly secure for user is like Freenet, I2P. For example, if we use search engine, the search engine, if we say search engine can be categorized into these things: Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask, Alta Vista. Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask, Alta Vista. So these are again search engines which are not at all highly reliable, and these technologies are not trustworthy for normal group of users. Trustworthy in the sense, if you are using Google, there is a opposite side of Google which is unindexed. If you are using Bing, there is a opposite side of Bing which is not indexed. So on that sense, these are not highly reliable. So we need to think on these things. Next thing, search engines might not search deep web because it has dynamically database. Now if you see the image, the surface web, deep web, dark web. See, something which cannot be found on Google, that is the deep web. Deep web and dark web can't be found on Google. That is why it is deep web. And what we can see on the surface web, that can be found on Google. That is people like us who like to use the social networking things, any kind of other activities like Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or any other websites which you are searching, that comes in surface web. But deep web, as long as you go, it is not found on Google. Why? Because it is made in that way that it is only be traced by the powerful, legal, authentic people who needs to get a very important data, which national security related data, which should not be disclosed to any other people. So that is there in the deep web. But deep web is not at all bad, but that is used for the highly secured group of people who is maintaining a great responsibility for any country, and for the protection of the people, so that data should not be misused by the untrusted or some people who has nothing to do with this kind of data. That's why this data should not be leaked outside. To maintain that confidentiality, integrity and authenticity, we need to use deep web. So it is not found on Google. That is the one thing. Not be found on Google. How I can guarantee that? Because if you search anything, any kind of insurance data or any kind of national security data, do you think you will get on Google? No. Google will show some result, but it is not the real data, and data that is because that is hidden from the outside world. Now the biggest part is the dark web. It is deep down within the within the last side of an iceberg. That means if you go through a Pacific Ocean, suppose you are going through a Pacific Ocean, if you see iceberg. Welcome back. Today we will discuss in detail about dark web and deep web.